Ever feel that weight of a loan on your shoulders? You're not alone. Millions take out loans for everything from cars to college educations, houses to starting a business. They're a part of life, but wouldn't it be amazing to ditch them sooner rather than later? That's where prepayment comes in, paying off your loan faster than the scheduled term. Sounds good, right? But before you grab your piggy bank and head to the bank, there are some things you need to consider. Why prepay your loan? Let's face it, prepayment isn't for everyone. There are definite advantages, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Here's a breakdown of the potential benefits. Save big on interest. This is the biggest perk. The longer your loan term, the more interest you pay. By prepaying, you shorten the loan term, slashing the total interest you owe. Think of it as putting that money back in your pocket. Free up cash flow. Once your loan is gone, that monthly payment frees up cash for other things. Maybe you want to invest, save for a dream vacation, or simply breathe a little easier knowing you have more financial breathing room. Improved credit score. On-time payments are great, but prepaying can actually boost your credit score by lowering your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total limit. This can open you up to better interest rates on future loans. Psychological advantage. Let's be honest, debt can be stressful. Prepaying your loan gives you a sense of accomplishment and financial security. It feels good to be debt-free. Is prepayment right for you? Now, before you get out your calculator and start crunching numbers, there are some things to consider. Emergency fund. Life throws curve-balls. Make sure you have a solid emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses, before prioritizing loan prepayment. High-interest debt. Focus on high-interest debt first. Credit card debt with a 20% interest rate should be tackled before a car loan with a 5% rate. Prioritize where your prepayment dollars will have the biggest impact. Prepayment penalties. Some lenders charge prepayment penalties for paying off your loan early. Check your loan agreement for any such fees before diving in. Investment opportunities. Consider your investment options. If you can potentially earn a higher return on your money by investing it elsewhere than by prepaying your loan, that might be a better strategy. Let's talk strategies. So, you've decided prepayment is the path for you. Now what? Here are some ways to get that loan paid off faster. Increase your monthly payment. Even a small increase can make a big difference over time. Check your budget and see if you can free up some extra cash to throw at your loan each month. Make bi-weekly payments. Instead of one monthly payment, split it into 2 bi-weekly payments. This increases the number of payments you make per year, effectively shortening the loan term. Round up your payments. Services like round-up apps automatically round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and put the difference towards your loan. Every little bit counts. Sell unused items. Do a closet cleanout or sell unused items online. Use the extra cash towards your loan. Think of it as decluttering your life and your finances. Prepayment hacks. Here are some bonus tips to maximize your prepayment strategy. Negotiate a lower interest rate. If you have a good credit score and payment history, try negotiating a lower interest rate with your lender. This will save you money on interest throughout the loan term, even if you don't prepay entirely. Apply windfalls. Got a bonus at work or a tax refund? Don't spend it. Allocate that windfall towards your loan principal. This significantly reduces the outstanding amount, saving you interest in the long run. Refinance. If interest rates have dropped significantly since you took out your loan, consider refinancing to a lower rate. This can free up additional money to put towards prepayment. Taking control of your finances. Prepaying your loan can be a powerful financial move, but remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Evaluate your financial situation, consider the pros and cons, and choose the strategy that works best for you. With careful planning and strategic prepayment, you can conquer your loan and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching.